Okay, dear student, we are studying about chapter 18 electronics. Now it is the end of the chapter and our topic is telecommunication. What is telecommunication? It is defined as to send and receive the global or home informations by electromagnetic waves is called to send and receive the global or home informations by electromagnetic waves is called telecommunication. Now we will study about what are the sources of telecommunication. These are the following sources. Number 1, radio. Number 2, telephone. Number 3, telegraphy. Number 4, television. Number 5, gramophone. Number 6, radar. And number 7, satellites. These are the sources of telecommunication. By these sources, we can send or receive the message. Now we will study about radar and satellite because radio, television, telegraphy, telephone, gramophone, these are the ancient devices, but rather they are used. So radar and satellite, these are the latest telecommunicating device. First of all, radar. What is radar? Telecommunication device consisted of transmitter, receiver, monitor and aerial. So these are the components of the radar. Now radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Transmitter transmits microwaves into the air by the aerial or through the aerial, and receiver receives those reflected microwaves by the target. The target in the air, which may be enemy aircraft or our foe aircraft. So these electromagnetic waves strike with the target and reflects back. So those reflected waves are received by the receiver via aerial and displayed on the monitor. Now, so these are the components of the radar. It is an aerial and this one is transmitter, receiver and monitor. Now transmitter transmits microwaves and also generates microwaves by the oscillator. Oscillator is present in the transmitter which oscillates and generates microwaves. Those microwaves in the form of loop are spread into the air or atmosphere, and any target in the air that receives these microwaves and reflects back. These microwaves reflects from the target and again received by the aerial and receiver. Receiver will send these microwaves, these sign of the target into microwaves, makes its electrical signal and display it on the monitor. So this target can be seen by the observer who is sitting in front of the monitor, can see this target, its height, its speed and its location. So this radar is the eye of the country. Now, what are the uses of radar? It is used by defense forces to detect the target. It is used to control air traffic at airport. It is to warn about thunderstorms. It is used by the weather warning, by the weather departments. It is used as war weapon. Navy, Army, Air Force uses this radar to detect the enemy target in the air or into the sea. So therefore it is called the eye of our country. Now next, satellite. Artificial satellite, because it is man-made satellite, but natural satellites are moon which revolve around the earth, and all the solar system, those are the satellite for the sun. Now it is artificial satellite. It is a telecommunication device consisted of transmitter and receivers, orbits around the earth with uniform velocity. So this is our earth and this is satellite. It is consisted of transmitter and receiver. It revolves around the earth in the orbit and gets informations from all parts of the countries and whole the world and transmit it to all parts of the countries and whole the world. So it receives and transmits global informations from all the countries of the world. Okay, it is the end of the chapter. There are no numericals. We will start 19th chapter in next period. Okay, Allah.